Hello students, let's do Algebra Fundamental Concepts, Chapter 13, the multiple choice type questions. This is found on page number 171. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Out of the algebraic expressions given here, now we've been given, now this is one expression, this is another expression, this is the third one, and we have the fourth one. Out of these, the polynomials are, now which of these are polynomials? 1, 2, 3, 4 expressions. Which of these are polynomials? Now there are some conditions for expressions to be polynomials. What are the conditions? The exponent should be a whole number. That means when I raise this to a power, the power should be a whole number. Like this, x to the power of 2. It should be a whole number. Secondly, it should not be a fraction. I cannot have 3 raised to the power of 1 by 2. This becomes an exponent which is a fraction. So this is not part of a polynomial. It doesn't become a polynomial. Thirdly, the exponent should not be a variable. That means the power should be a whole number. It should not be a variable like x or y or something like that. Like if I have 5, I should not have the variable as my exponent. Okay, so now let's see which of these follow the rules that we have mentioned here. So 8 minus 5x. Now here we have everything proper. So this is a polynomial. So we can write that 8 minus 5x is a polynomial. Then let's look at the next one. Now here we have x square. Then 3 by 5x, that's okay, plus 12 by x to the power of 2. Now this one, x to the power of 2 is in the denominator. If I have to take it up, it becomes, now this is 12x to the power of 2. Now this can be written as 12x to the power of, so I'm moving this x which is here to the numerator. So what happens to the power? The sign of the power will change. Now it is 2. When it goes up, it becomes minus 2. So now can you see the exponent is not a whole number. It's a negative number. It's an integer, but it's not a whole number. So this is not a polynomial. This expression is not a polynomial. Now here we have 8 minus 5 by x. Here also x is in the denominator. When I take it up, it becomes x to the power of minus 1. So again, this is also not a polynomial. Next one is 8.7. That's a decimal number. That is correct. You can call it a polynomial. So what are the expressions here that are polynomials? Only 8 minus 5x and 8.7, and that is option 3. So our answer is option 3. Question 2. The value of this expression is what we need to find out, and we have to substitute x with 2, y is 3 and z is 5. So let's write down the question first. 3y into x to the power of 3 minus z. So now 3y means 3 into y. Then we have x cube minus z. So 3 into, how much is y? Y is given as in 3. Now in brackets, x to the power of 3 and x is 2. 2 to the power of 3 minus z, and z is 5. Now let's simplify this. So first thing, we'll multiply these two. 3 3s are 9. Now let's go on to 2 cube. That means 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 cube. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this is 8. So in brackets we have 8 minus 5. So 9 into 8 minus 5 is 3, and 9 3s are 27. So what is our answer? 27. And that is option 2. So we can write that option 2. You can select that. The answer is 27. Question 3. The sum of these 3 expressions. We've been given one expression here, there's another one here, and this. If we add up these 3, what are we getting? So let's add it up. So 4x plus 8x square plus 1 plus 13 minus x square plus the third expression 6x minus 10 minus 8x square. Now let's remove all brackets. 4x plus 8x square plus 1. Before you remove the bracket, see the sign before it. If it is plus, there is no change in any of these. So that will be plus 13 minus x square. Now again, when we're opening the next bracket, see the sign is plus, so we write all this just like that. So plus 6x minus 10 minus 8x square. Next step is we're going to bring all the like terms together. Let's start with the highest power. Highest power is 8x square, isn't it? So let's take this. So here we have 8x square. Look for like terms. Minus x square minus 8x square. Let's write that down. So this is equal to 8x square minus x square minus 8x square. Now let's go on to the x terms. 4x plus 6x. That's it. No more x there. So that is 4x plus 6x. Then we have the whole number. So here we have 1 plus 13 minus 10. So we have plus 1 minus 13, no, plus 13 minus 10. Okay. Now let's work on all the like terms. So we'll work on only this. Now here I have 8x square. It's understood this is a plus sign. So here I have plus 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. So this gets cancelled. So this gets cancelled. So what we have left is only minus x square. Now let's go to the next one. 4x plus 6x. 4 plus 6 is 10. So that is plus 10x. Then we have plus 1 plus 13 minus 10. So 1 plus 13 is 14. 14 minus 10 is 4. So that is plus 4. So this is our answer. And that is option 1. Option 1 is our answer. Question 4. Here we have one expression minus another expression. And what is that equal to? So in the first step, let's remove the brackets. So here we have 3x square plus 7 minus 6x. Now we're going to remove the other brackets. Look at the sign before that, it's minus. That means all these signs will change. So this was first plus sign. Now it will become minus 3x. Then the next sign will change to plus 4x square. And again minus 15 will now become plus 15. Now let's take all the like terms together. We have 3x square. Now do we have any other x square? We have plus 4x square. Let's write that. Plus 4x square. Now let's take the x terms. So we have minus 6x minus 3x. So minus 6x minus 3x. Then let's take the whole numbers. Whole numbers are, here we have 7 and here we have 15. So we have plus 7 plus 15. So that is simply 7 plus 15. So now let's work on the like terms. 3x square plus 4x square is 7x square. Then here we have minus 6x minus 3x, that is minus 9x. Then plus 7 plus 15. 7 plus 15 is 22. So this is the answer that we have got. So option 2 is our answer. Question 5. Here we have one term and here we have another term, and we're going to multiply both and see what that's equal to. So when we multiply, first let's take the sign. So here we have a plus sign, and here in the second term we have a minus sign. Plus into minus is minus. Then let's multiply the numbers. We have 5 and 4. 5 fours are 20. Let's take each literal. X cube into x square is x to the power of 5. Y square and y cube is again y to the power of 5. And we have only z there, z to the power of 5. So what is our answer? Minus 20, x to the power of 5, y to the power of 5 and z to the power of 5. And that is option 3. So this is our answer, option 3. Question 6. Here we are going to multiply a binomial with a binomial. So we take the first term of this binomial, that is 3x. So let's do that, 3x, and we multiply it with the whole of the second binomial, which is 5x minus 6y. Then we take the second term, that is minus 4y of the first binomial this is, and then you multiply it with the whole binomial. Now we have to multiply 3x first with 5x and then with minus 6y. So let's multiply. 3 5s are 15. So we have 15. X into x is x square. Then we multiply 3 into minus 6y. So sign is minus. 3 6 are 18. X into y is xy. Now we continue here. Minus 4y into 5x first. So the sign is minus. 4 5s are 20. xy. Then we multiply it with minus 6y. So minus into minus is plus. 4 6 are 24. Y into y is y square. The next step, we're going to put all the like terms together. So here we have x square. We have only one x square. So we write 15x square as it is. Then let's look out for the xy's. So here we have minus 18xy. Here we have minus 20xy. So minus 18 minus 20 will make it minus 38 because we are adding up the numbers but putting the minus sign. So 18 plus 20 is 38. And write xy. Then the next one is plus 24y square. So this is our answer, and that is option 4. Question 7. Here we have a binomial. We're going to multiply it with a trinomial. So what do we do here? We take the first term and multiply it with the whole of the trinomial. So that is x into x square plus x plus 1. Now we do the same thing with minus 1 here. So we have minus 1. We're going to take minus 1 and multiply with the whole of the next trinomial. So minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. Okay, now let's simplify it. We have to multiply x first with x square. So x into x square is x to the power of 3. Then we multiply x into plus x. So that becomes plus x square. Then multiply this into 1. So x into 1 is x. So plus x. Now here let's multiply. First we multiply minus 1 into x square. So that makes it minus x square. Then we multiply minus 1 into plus x. So that becomes minus into plus is minus, so minus x. Then we multiply minus 1 into plus 1. So the sign will become minus, and 1 into 1 is 1 itself. Now let's look at all the like terms. Here we have x to the power of 3. We don't have any more x to the power of 3. So we will write this as it is, x to the power of 3. Now look at x to the power of 2 here and minus x to the power of 2. This is 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this gets cancelled. So we don't have an x square. So next thing we have to do is we look for x. So here we have plus x, that is plus 1x. And here we have minus x, that means minus 1x. So plus 1 minus 1 or 1 minus 1 is 0. They are not to be added because the signs are different. So again 1 minus 1 is 0. It gets cancelled. Now what is left? We only have minus 1 left. Let's write it minus 1. So what is our answer? X to the power of 3 minus 1. So our answer here is option 1. So this is the answer to the 7th question. We will stop with this for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.